So it's crucial for me to get feedback from you. That what do you think of my fluency now?
Actually, it's very good. I'm finding a conversation with you easy. So that's good. And I can understand you quite clearly.
That how have you been? How is Snap?
Ah, good. Much better at the moment.
So I
um,
in location.
yeah, still in Turkey, still in Antalya. Um, the weather is becoming. Mhm.
Estonia,
No, Turkey.
Turkey, and in Turkey, where in Turkey? I mean,
Antalya.
Antalya.
Yeah, Antalya. Yeah.
The
Um,
pronunciation in Turkish language,
I think Antalya.
Antalya.
Yeah. Turkish is actually very phonetic. So
Oh,
if you learn their alphabet, they use the English alphabet, so you just got to learn the phonics. But it is very phonetic. It's very easy to read. They just have some of their vowels,
okay.
which is a little bit challenging. So like an O is like a U and a U and like another. There's a few versions of it, but other than that, very phonetic. You can very easily read what you're seeing out loud. You know?
It's kind of slightly stressed, right?
Yeah. So on the vowels, they have different like
Tongue movement,
tones.
especially
Yeah,
tongue.
yeah. That's what's difficult because you got like a and a and a it's so close, but like for example, if I show you here, so like water is su
Water
just
is.
su.
Oh, let me check it. So, oh,
Yeah.
okay.
So now soot, okay, but it's this the U has got a double dot on top. I don't know how to do that on my
Oh,
keyboard.
okay. Just
Yeah.
like a Russian ladder.
Yeah, so it's gonna
Yo.
just it's like this, but the U has two dots on top, you know?
I got
And
it.
that's shoot. Shoot.
But two
Yeah,
two are
yeah. So you've got to kind of that's the only thing. But other than that, it's really phonetically easy to get. The
okay.
understanding is another thing. I'm learning to speak, but I don't know what I'm saying yet.
So do you want to learn?
Yes, it looks like we're staying here, so I need to learn more than what.
You need to learn
Yeah.
rather than wanting to learn.
Yeah, I do want to learn because it will make day-to-day life easier. But if I had to go in languages I'm interested in, I would be more interested
Okay.
in Spanish.
Oh, okay.
Hablo español, por favor.
Funny. I don't know
Yeah.
why, but sometimes I feel like Spanish is like very standard language.
Mm. I think it's the
It's
second
kind of a
most. Yeah.
style of speaking or something. Sometimes you get indulged with or get acquainted with something which looks stylish in
Yeah.
itself.
Yeah.
For example, Chanel.
Yeah. So Chanel is French. Yeah. And there is French in Turkish. There's French,
Uh-uh.
like if they say excuse me, like pardon. But
Pardon.
also in Farsi,
Mm.
they say
Okay,
merci.
something. Tell me that in English we say pardon. Okay,
Mm.
excuse me, we say pardon.
Mhm.
So is it exactly an English word or taken from another language, from French?
Taken from another language.
So from which?
From French, if I'm not mistaken.
Okay, you're not sure.
I'll tell you now.
Okay,
Latin. No. So if I'm not, yeah. it comes from medieval Latin, which is
Mm-hmm.
perdonare, and then
Pardon.
Old French, which is pardon, and then English, pardon. So this is the line. So,
Oh,
oh dear, you've got lights out.
because of a storm, but don't worry. I have another phone. My flash is here.
Ooh. Yeah. So remember, a lot of
Mm-hmm.
origin in many languages is from Latin. So
Mm.
even though pardon is rooted into history, into English, the root is Latin. But that's not to say that the French also got pardon from Latin. Do you know what I'm saying? So there
Okay,
are
yeah.
some languages that intertwine a lot more because the root is Latin, you
It's
know?
like
And you'll find a lot of Greek roots in English words as well. Um, there's a few roots that come from older languages, you know?
the journey involves multiculture,
Yes.
multi-regions, I would say.
Yes. Yeah. You
Right.
would not believe on my travels the amount of different people from different cultures that I've met. And we have similar words. So my second language, because I'm bilingual, is
Mhm.
Afrikaans. And you will not believe how many words in Afrikaans. So this is a language that's origin is Dutch. There were Dutch
Oh,
settlers that came to South Africa, and the language became Afrikaans because it split completely. It became its own language. Okay?
okay.
Now, Afrikaans words from the south of Africa that was born, not, I mean, obviously it's got Dutch in it, matches with some words in Farsi.
Mm.
How? You know? So yeah.
Somebody took it as a message to spread.
Yes. But it's amazing. I think like we think that we are the pioneers
I
of
I
travel.
think I think it was like the person travels. I mean, travel from one place to other,
Mm.
and the local people asked that, "Where are you from?"
Mm.
And the person might said might have said that, "Don't ask that where I am from. Just see what I have brought for you."
Yes. Yes.
And like this, the storm is getting closer, and the conversation too. Okay, so tell me one thing. As I can see just last minute. So, it's crucial for me to get feedback from you. That what do you think of my fluency now?
Actually, it's very good. I'm finding a conversation with you easy. So that's good. And I can understand you quite clearly.